So I know it's probably happened to everybody. Happens to me all the time, it seems. Your remote control just doesn't seem to want to work right. You change the batteries. May work a little better, but still doesn't work quite right. Here's how you fix that. Take your remote apart. They all come apart different. This is for a Panasonic VHS DVD recorder. All these connections here on the circuit board, see how they're gray? They need to be shined up. I usually take a pencil eraser, just go through all of them, clean it all off, blow out the eraser residue, and this is where it starts. These pads will make the circuit, got carbon in them. So you can see these little residues. I think it gets little cracks in the rubber. The oil goes through from your hand somehow. Just dirt from the general environment. You have to take rubbing alcohol, clean all these off real good, dry it all off, put it back together. Problem solved. Thanks for watching.